Have you ever wondered how does Python remembers your data like name, age, your marks? Where does these values actually get stored? That's where variables come into the picture. And what are the identifiers? These are simply the name given to variables, functions, and whatever values we are defining by the perspective of users. Identifiers simply play a role of naming those values. So in this video, we are going to study about variables as well as identifiers so that you never get confused and half of your confusion is simply gone and you will start heading towards your Python programs. Variable is a name given to a memory location used to store data values. It acts as a reference to an object in memory. Variable is a name given to a memory location. Every variable we define in Python has an assignment of a specific value, and that value itself holds address. Address is nothing but the memory location within memory where actually that value is located. Hence, the variable is nothing but is referring to that particular value within the memory. It acts as a reference to an object in memory. So let's say I'm defining a variable over here, a, and a is holding a value 5, which is an integer value. So the 5 is located inside the memory of computer. 5 might have any memory address. Let's say this is nothing but a memory address. It's just a random memory address for your understanding. But the key over here is 5 itself is placed within this memory address and a is referring to this memory address. If we simply hit this command, we might get this particular value as the output. The variable allows programmer to access and manipulate the stored data during the program execution. Manipulating data simply means that we can handle the data in any way and we can do various operations on that data. Let's take a previous example. We have taken a variable a and assigned it a value 5. I can simply manipulate this value by either printing it, either changing the value. So these were nothing but the examples of manipulation of variable, how different operations results in the manipulation of variable. Variable gets created automatically whenever we assign them a value. Unlike C programming, we don't need to declare the data type or even declare the variables initially. Declaration automatically happens with the assignment of value. Let's say, for example, I am declaring a variable over here, a. A equals to 5, like our previous example. This statement simply declares the variable at the same time it also defines the variable. So declaration and definition of variables occurs simultaneously in Python. So this was the basic definition of variables in Python. An identifier is the name given to a variable, functions, classes, or any object. It is used to identify these elements uniquely within the program. The unique identification of various objects in Python, like variable, function, class, these are nothing but the objects. And this task of unique identification is done by no one else than the identifier. Identifier itself acts as a unique name for every user-defined aspects in Python programming. So what are user-defined aspects? These are nothing but the variables. User can declare variable of his own choice. Functions, which are user-defined functions, which we simply define by the def keyword. And the class, which we simply define by the class keyword. So these are also the user-defined aspects. So I hope you understood what are identifiers and variables. Now let's see the rules for defining variables or identifiers. Some of the major rules for defining identifiers. Most important, an identifier must start with a letter or an underscore. Underscore simply means this symbol. Must start with either a letter or an underscore. If I define a variable, this is a valid variable because it's starting with underscore. This is also a valid variable. This becomes a valid variable. Cannot start with number. A variable cannot start with a numeric digit. A variable cannot start with special characters. Special characters include so you are able to see all of these characters on your keyboard, isn't it? These are nothing but the special characters. Any variable starting from these characters is not a variable. No spaces allowed. A variable itself should be a single word and not multiple words. If I have to give value to the score that I have acquired in my examination, I'll write it as follows. So what I have done over here is to make this variable look more polished. I have added an underscore in between these two words, my and score and have finally given it a value 65. However, if I would have written my score equals to 65, Python wouldn't have recognized this as a variable and the interpreter might have thrown the error, the syntax error, which simply means that the syntax for this variable is incorrect. Because I have added a space over here and the space defines nothing but simply the error. Hence, it is recommended you don't add any spaces while declaring a variable. Keywords cannot be used. Keywords are nothing but the reserved words in Python. Int, which is for integer data type, float, string, boolean, and many more. These cannot be used as a variable. Just you yourself think about it. How can we use the reserved word as a variable? Variable is something unique, which is simply defined by the user. If I wrote over here, this might simply throw syntax error because we are trying to assign a data type to a variable which is simply not holding any value within itself. So I hope now you are clear with the rules for defining identifiers. These are the rules which also apply to the variables, functions, as well as classes and whatever user-defined aspects that we actually write by our own in Python. So I hope this video might have proved helpful for your examinations, and if you really liked it, subscribe for more such videos. We'll see you in the next one.